Hey nail techs, if you're slow and you're looking to build your clientele, I'll give you some pointers that work for me and it might work for you too if you want to try it. Here's what I did. I never offered any kind of specials to new people because new people are not clients. They're potential customers. They haven't even sat in your chair. They haven't given you any money. They haven't referred you any business. So why would I want to reward potential customers? Here's what I would do. I always rewarded my longtime existing clients. And this is how I built my clientele up super fast. When I moved from one spa to a salon, I lost like 50% of my clientele and then I had to rebuild again. So what I put the word out to all my good clients, I said, I will give you 50% off. Every new person you refer me, your good friends and family. I want people like you. And in return for them coming in and paying me full price for their service, I will give you 50% off your next service. Honey, I want to tell you now, those people hustled. Oh yeah, they brought me all kinds of business. And so if you want to not have to spin your wheels working so hard trying to put out social media content and what have you to get new people in your chair, you've already got your gold mine in your chair. And those are your existing clients. Reward them with a client referral program. So I would keep track in my client appointment books, you know, what color I used on them when they came in, yada, yada. I would keep track that, you know, Mary referred me Tanisha. And then when, you know, Tanisha pays full price, Mary, the next time I see her, I would be like, Mary, thank you so much for referring me Tanisha. She was awesome. And now I've got Tanisha as a full-time client because I rebirthed her before she left the salon. And I give Mary, I said, you get your service half off. Mary thrilled. You would have thought Abe McMahon just had called and said she won $1 million. So anyway, if I happen to have an hour after Mary open at that point in time, I would say, well, you know, I got this hour open. If you've got the time, I'll give you 50% off a pedicure or whatever service they weren't getting, you know, and they would take it. And so, yes, I lost 50% of that one particular appointment. But I gained all these new clients that were paying full price, and I rewarded my longtime clients, and my longtime clients were thrilled, and they went out of their way to hustle for me. Now, don't offer them something like 10% off. I really don't even cut coupons or go across the street for a 10% off sale. You have to give them something to make it worth your good client's time to hustle for you. So anyway, that's just a suggestion of how I built up my clientele pretty fast. Peace out, nail techs.